Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app is actually installed. That matters. Open Settings quickly and check Chrome OS version, then update if needed. Once done, press the launcher key or search, type the app name to surface it. If the app comes from Android Play Store or Chrome Web Store, it can be pinned. Make sure you see the app icon in the launcher before moving to pinning. This ensures the shortcut process will work. Now you pin the app to the shelf so it behaves like a home screen shortcut. Find the app icon in the launcher, then right-click or two-finger tap it to open the context menu. Choose Pin to Shelf, and you'll see the icon appear on the shelf at the bottom. Once pinned, click and drag the icon along the shelf to reorder it, drag to the left or right until you like the position, then release to lock it in place. To put a shortcut on the Chromebook desktop area, open the app, then right-click the app window frame or the app icon in the launcher to look for Create Shortcut. Select Create Shortcut, choose Desktop or Shelf if prompted, and confirm. The shortcut appears immediately. If you don't see Create Shortcut, make sure Play Store apps are enabled and that enterprise or family policies aren't blocking shortcuts. As a quick fix, update Chrome OS and reinstall the app. Then repeat the shortcut step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.